Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Easy English Guide. I am Sam. Today is day 2 of our 8-day English shadowing challenge. I am very happy that you are here again. That already means something huge. Most people quit shadowing after the first 5 minutes because it feels silly or it feels not serious enough. But you didn't quit. That small decision tells me something important. You are serious about speaking more naturally, and I respect that a lot. Today, we use real-life sentences, sentences you actually need in everyday life. We will shadow 75 real-life sentences together. They are suitable for beginners to intermediate learners. The sentences start easy, short, and simple. They gradually get longer, with more words. You just follow my voice. And repeat after me. It's a simple process. No one is judging your accent. No one is grading you. The only goal is this: to hear, to copy, and to feel a little more comfortable doing it again. Now, your brain already knows the rhythm a little better, because you survived day 1, and that puts you ahead of 90% of learners who never even start. So trust the process. The magic happens through repetition, not on the first try. Take a deep breath. And let's start day 2. I feel fresh today. I feel fresh today. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. Get me a glass of water. Get me a glass of water. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Go and relax for a while. Go and relax for a while. Someone is waiting for you. Someone is waiting for you. Pack these things for me. Pack these things for me. Don't lose your confidence. Don't lose your confidence. I understand you now. I understand you now. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. I get your point now. I get your point now. I'm not completely sure yet. I'm not completely sure yet. I'm glad we talked about it. I'm glad we talked about it. Make yourself comfortable, please. Make yourself comfortable, please. I need a little help. I need a little help. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. Which book do you prefer? Which book do you prefer? I forgot to lock the door. I forgot to lock the door. This coffee tastes really good. This coffee tastes really good. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. I feel a bit nervous speaking. I feel a bit nervous speaking. I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well today. This shirt is too tight for me. This shirt is too tight for me. I'm doing my best with what I know. I'm doing my best with what I know. That's not a big problem for me. That's not a big problem for me. Let's move forward from here. Let's move forward from here. I'm not sure how to say this. I'm not sure how to say this. Let me think about it clearly. Let me think about it clearly. Can we talk about this later? Can we talk about this later? I feel tired, but I'll finish this. I feel tired, but I'll finish this. I cannot agree with your opinion. I cannot agree with your opinion. Nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent in this world. I understand most of it, not all. I understand most of it, not all. Sorry, I don't have any cash. Sorry, I don't have any cash. I left my keys on the table again. I left my keys on the table again. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I spilled coffee on my shirt. The shop was closed when I arrived. The shop was closed when I arrived. I read the message but didn't reply. I read the message but didn't reply. I didn't recognize him at first. I didn't recognize him at first. I took the wrong turn earlier. I took the wrong turn earlier. I need to charge my phone soon. I need to charge my phone soon. The train is delayed again. The train is delayed again. The lights went out for a second. The lights went out for a second. My head feels heavy today. My head feels heavy today. My eyes feel tired from the screen. My eyes feel tired from the screen. This place looks different at night. This place looks different at night. I'm not sure where this road leads. I'm not sure where this road leads. The internet stopped working suddenly. The internet stopped working suddenly. The food got cold while we were talking. The food got cold while we were talking. The weather changed faster than expected. The weather changed faster than expected. The bus was already gone when I reached the stop. The bus was already gone when I reached the stop. I wasn't expecting anyone today. I wasn't expecting anyone today. The seat near the window is empty. The seat near the window is empty. Could you please ask her to meet me? Could you please ask her to meet me? Would you like to pay by cash or card? Would you like to pay by cash or card? Please drop me near the park. Please drop me near the park. How long will it take to reach there? How long will it take to reach there? I can suggest the best option to you. I can suggest the best option to you. You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. I complete every task on time. I complete every task on time. Why don't you pay attention to me? Why don't you pay attention to me? I forgot to mention something important. I forgot to mention something important. This conversation feels unfinished. This conversation feels unfinished. I put the file in the wrong folder. I put the file in the wrong folder. The music is louder than before. The music is louder than before. It's getting late. We should go. It's getting late. We should go. I didn't hear what you said. I didn't hear what you said. I'm not sure what to do next. I'm not sure what to do next. Could you explain that more slowly? Could you explain that more slowly? I left my bag in the car. I left my bag in the car. Can we meet again tomorrow? Can we meet again tomorrow? Wow! You did it! Day 2 complete. Did you notice? Your mouth already moved a little smoother this time. That's real progress, even if it still feels small. You're building something amazing, one sentence at a time. If today felt even 1% better than yesterday, drop a comment below. Day 2 done. It really helps me know you're with me. Please like, share, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 3. It's where things start getting really interesting. Rest well, celebrate yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.